SAP is minus 3.94% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 26th, and today we are putting the spotlight on SAP, a major global company. SAP is down 3.94% to €178.16 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between €176.82 and €181.32. The long-term fundamentals for SAP revolve around earnings, macro conditions, and sector trends. Equity markets are responding to reports that going into earnings, is SAP stock a buy, a sell, or fairly valued? Morningstar. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ end down on tech stocks, investors weigh Iran moves. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, Dow, NASDAQ futures range-bound as investors await Nvidia earnings, key inflation reading, minor, SPCX, PSKY, OpenAI and Focus, Yahoo Finance. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ open lower as tech stocks slide, Nvidia earnings ahead. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Deutsche Bank surged plus 3.77% to €34.45 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, Dow, NASDAQ futures range-bound as investors await Nvidia earnings, key inflation reading, minor, SPCX, PSKY, OpenAI and Focus, Yahoo Finance. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the €36.52 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Kotak Mahindra Bank made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.70% to 416.45 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Kotak Q1 FY27 presentation, 23% profit growth, asset quality improves by investing.com Australia. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 441.44 Indian rupees level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Nvidia is up plus 2.19%, trading at $213.05. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nvidia Q2 FY27 earnings preview, RE chip leader August 2026 analysis Intellectia RE. The AI infrastructure supercycle shows no sign of slowing. Nvidia's pricing power on H100 and Blackwell chips remains exceptional, no credible competitor is close on performance. The next catalyst is the next earnings call. Any upward revision to forward estimates would push the stock toward new highs. The main downside risk remains export controls. Here is our analytical view on SAP from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that going into earnings, is SAP stock a buy, a sell, or fairly valued? Morningstar. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for SAP is around €167.47. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe, it directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view, we feature the sharpest takes in future videos. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on SAP from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.